Let's look at downloading an Excel file, PDF file um, from the Prospero cloud servers to your local desktop. I'm going to use this monthly income statement, actual to budget variances report as an example. I'll click this once to open my prompt window. I'll keep everything the same, except I want to talk a little bit about the bottom right where it says send output to, and it says workspace. I'm going to change that to Excel. You can do this to PDF as well. Once I have that selected, right below there it says output file, and this is for the location of that output file and the name of the file. Now this says C drive. I want to point out that this is not the C drive on your local machine. This is the C drive on the Prospero cloud servers. So you can change this though, but you can still only point to the cloud servers. You cannot point it directly to your local drives. I'll use the lookup button. Make sure this is going to this PC, which is this PC in the cloud, documents, demo company, the name of it, monthly income statement. I'll just put the date at the back of this so you'll know for sure which one we just saved. Click open, and then OK to actually run this report, create the Excel file. This will also, in my instance, open the Excel file in the browser, but it's opening up the cloud version of that Excel file, which is not what I want to work with. I want to go ahead and close this file that opened up in the browser. This is not my local Excel. This is the browser of Excel. I'm going to close this and then download it to my local machine. Now, some clients will get an error message about Microsoft licensing, and that is nothing that we can change in Prospero. That's in relation to your Microsoft licensing. It doesn't have enough rights to open up that file on a browser. So we are going to close out of this tab at the bottom, whether or not this opens. If you get the error about licensing, just close the error message. I am back in Prospero, and now I want to copy that Excel file from the cloud server to my local machine. There are two icons at the bottom. One of them has a red triangle. That's not the one we want. The one we want is on the right hand side, a little caret pointing up like it's pointing to the cloud. I'll click that caret icon once, and then there's three icons. The top one is for download options. I'll click download once. This will bring up my cloud server directory of files, and I'll find the file that I just created. Again, this says this PC, but it's this PC in the cloud, not my local machine yet. So I'll highlight the one I want to copy from the cloud to my local machine. I'll click open. And even though it says open, it doesn't open the file when it downloads it. It downloads it to my local machine and puts that Excel copy into my downloads folder locally. So I'll click open. That will download it. Gives you a little message here on the left. On the right hand side, you can see the file has been downloaded. You can open it from your local download folder at that time. Work with that Excel file with your local version of Excel. Save it anywhere else on your local machine. Save it anywhere else on your local network. You still have the cloud version of that Excel file, but now you have your local copy to do with whatever you need to do.